You eat a plate of pasta. 20 minutes later, your eyelids file a formal complaint. You call it a food coma. Case closed, right? Not quite. Because the actual mechanism has nothing to do with coma and everything to do with a hormone doing a favor for a molecule you've never heard of. Here's what really happens. Carbs spike your blood sugar. Your pancreas releases insulin to clear that sugar out. Totally normal, expected, insulin doing its job. But insulin doesn't just clear sugar. It also clears out a bunch of other amino acids that are floating around in your blood, all competing to get into your brain through the same narrow doorway. Once insulin clears most of that competition out of the way, one specific amino acid gets a clear path. It's called tryptophan. Yes, the turkey makes you sleepy one, except it's not really about turkey. It's about insulin removing tryptophan's competition. Tryptophan gets into your brain, and your brain converts it into serotonin. Serotonin calms your nervous system down. Not drugged, just calm. Parasympathetic mode. Rest and digest, literally. So the sleepiness isn't the carbs punching you in the face. It's insulin accidentally clearing a VIP lane for a completely different molecule that happens to be the let's relax chemical. Wild, right? Your pancreas basically played bouncer for a party it wasn't even trying to host. But here's the twist inside the twist. Even if you ate absolutely nothing, your energy would still dip in the early afternoon. It's called your circadian rhythm. A completely separate, food-independent slump that most people experience regardless of lunch. So when you eat carbs at 1 p.m. and crash by 1:30, you're not just dealing with the tryptophan effect. You're getting hit by your body's natural energy dip at the exact same time. Two systems, same nap. Which means the coma isn't one villain. It's a hormone opening a door for a calming chemical, timed almost perfectly with a slump your body was already scheduled to have. Next time someone blames the bread for your 2 p.m. nap, you can tell them it's actually a very specific act of hormonal hospitality and terrible timing. Follow along. Your body's randomly tired moments are almost never random.